You help.
Maybe.
See? Even he is sick of hearing your nonsense, you afterthought of a child. I apologize, sir, for his smell. Shoot a bottle off my head.
Very silly. The man is a moron. Shoot one off mine instead.
You got it!
That was fun.
Smaller bottles, sir, please.
What?
Now is as good a time as any. Go out. Nothing to fear at all.
Are you sure you can hit those little bottles?
Put us out of our misery. Oh, he got it. Of course.
There it goes. Now I'll stand on one leg.
Me too.
I'm ready. You're deranged. Go for it.
Hold still.
Oh, lady.
Do I look like a coward to you? I mean, obviously I milksop.
You good shot. That was fun.
I'll do my best.
Ready? Aim. Fire.
Yes!
Ready? You're deranged. Shoot away, sir. My bottle and his brains, if you please.
At least I have brains. Yes! Job!
His brains, if you please. Why? I must be the...
Excellent.
Now do one while I hop.
Do one while I turn somersaults. Shoot me.
I think me and the lady have had enough.
Oh, I don't blame you, sir. This man's tongue, I would run too if I could. Here, for your skills and talents.
Thank you.
Too much.
Nope, my sweet.
Goodness! Howdy. Bars.
Stay out of my way.
Careful there.
You look like you need to let off some steam.
No, I like women.
Hey, that's no way to talk.
No, Redskins. To hell! You should have thanked me. All you fools should thank me. Nobody points a gun at Big John and lives to tell the tale. Yeah, what's your problem, with the squinty eyes and the big old head and the women's breeches? You!
That away before someone gets hurt.
It ain't nice. Good Lord!
Good to see you, mister.
Sure am enjoying watching you.
What can I get you?
Just give me a drink, quick.
You here for the auction, then? Anyways, enough of that.
How's everything going?
Give me a beer. I'll have, whatever you like.
One bowl of beef stew.
Another drink! Another, drink.
All
Yeah,
right,
that's
take
it,
this one
drink.
slow, huh?
More drinks. For me. Another,
You in need of a woman's touch?
You should pay me.
You kiss your mother with that mouth?
You know, I can't imagine you have a lot of friends.
Borrow.
Now it's on, boy!
like you. You want to make some easy money? Come with me. I can't talk here. So listen, he's staying at a nearby hotel. You rob him, we split the money. What do you say?
Oh, think you can rob me, do you?
Who's talking now, huh?
Hey, friend, over here.
Out of my word.
Yeah, serves him right. That money should have been mine anyway, rat bastard.
You're right. Easy money.
Should have killed you.
Now, you see, Helen, Acri, you can't punch, my sweet. It's sad, really.
Hello.
I bet you can punch. Do me and the lady a favor here, would you? And thrash this impudent wretch.
Thrash! No man alive can thrash me.
Arthur.
Arthur could. Easily.
Come on! I think he's done for.
The manhood.
Don't worry, sir. Mine are made of steel.
Enough, gentlemen?
Yes, I think so. Oh, I slipped, and I hope you killed the leprechaun.
Madam, gentlemen, good luck to you.
Whatever got into your heads?
Sorry, can't put my finger on it.
So long.